Breaking news. Another misunderstanding fall out again. Why all this misunderstanding, please? Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell. In early 2023, a political disagreement between Nollywood stars IYABO OJO and DAYO AMUSA caught the public's attention. The two actresses, both prominent figures in the Yoruba film industry, clashed over their support for opposing presidential candidates in Nigeria's general election. Background of the dispute: IYABO OJO openly supported Peter Obi of the Labour Party, advocating for change and transparency in governance. She used her platform to rally support for Obi, emphasizing her belief in his leadership qualities and vision for Nigeria. DAYO AMUSA, on the other hand, backed Bola Tinubu of the All Progressives Congress (APC). She expressed loyalty to Tinubu and defended her decision by highlighting his political experience and contributions to Lagos State. The fallout. The tension began when DAYO AMUSA posted a cryptic message on Instagram, calling out an unnamed colleague for being ungrateful to MC Oluomo, a known supporter of Tinubu. Though she didn't mention names, many speculated that the jab was directed at IYABO OJO, given her vocal support for Obi. IYABO OJO responded through an Instagram live session, asserting her right to support any candidate in a democratic setting. She refuted claims that she owed any allegiance to MC Oluomo or that she had received financial assistance from him, countering the insinuations made by AMUSA. Public reaction. The exchange sparked debates among fans and colleagues, with some supporting IYABO's stance on democracy and others aligning with AMUSA's views on loyalty. The incident highlighted how political affiliations can strain relationships within the entertainment industry. Subscribe before you go.